Hi, ARK fans. Welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today, we will be going over insider trades. It's Friday, and on Friday, we go over the insider trades of the week. And not just any insider trades, we go over the insider trades for the companies that are present in ARK portfolio. So, that is the intersection of two great data points. One, insiders are buying, which is a great indication of that the company is going to do good. And then ARK's research, right? Those two important data points coming together to give you a great signal, a buy signal or a sell signal. So that's what we'll do in this episode. Please like and subscribe, and that's the easiest way to show your support. It's for free for you guys, and it helps me immensely with the YouTube algorithms. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the other. Welcome back, guys. So in these charts, we try to go over what were the insider buys, these two, and what were the insider sells of the week, these two charts. This is just an aggregate. This charts just places the trades on the timeline. As you can see, we have selected the date range of 2 weeks this time because last week we missed one of the insider trades. So we will cover that today. So these are the three companies that pop out for in the insider buys: ATI, VERV, and OpenDoor. We went over OpenDoor last week, but ATI is one that we missed. A lot of insider buys happening there. Actually, this is more of a company investing more than 10%. It's treated as insider as well. But VERV, look at that. That's a therapeutics company in the genomics sector. Look at a lot of people investing in it, not just the insiders, but a lot of companies investing in it more than 10% last week. So something big is going to happen there, it seems. So I'm going to take a look at all these three companies in ARC data as well. So let's go take a look at that. ATI, VERV, and OpenDoor. So we'll go over the spotlight charts as the ones that you are aware of. So we have selected VERV there, but let's unselect everything and then select those three companies. VERV Therapeutics. Then we have OpenDoor, and the third one is Allegheny Technologies, ATI. So those are the three companies. Let's break it by company. So these are the three companies that they are invested in. This one is OpenDoor. They have been invested in it since last year, but I have data since January 27, so you see only that much. So they are heavily invested in that in terms of number of shares and the market value, both $0.71 billion. This one is Allegheny Technologies, ATI. This is towards the very tail end of their investment. There is hardly anything there, but we'll go over how much they have. But they're still invested in this. And then more recent one is VERV Therapeutics. They started investing in it on June 18th, looks like, and a lot of insiders are also buying. So that's the one that I feel could be something interesting is going to happen there. So let's see. The stock price when they invested was $31, and now it is $36. And who knows, it might explode. Just because there are multiple signs, a lot of insider buying happening, and ARK is also invested very recently too. So that's those are the three companies that have insider buys this week. But let's take a look at their ranking also. ATI, in this chart that I created long ago and many people copied it. This is basically a mesh chart of all the companies ranking. So when they invested, since the time I've been recording data, ATI company, Allegheny Technologies, it has been at the tail end of their investment anyways, like started with 250 rank, and now also it's just 258. So not a lot of investment there. Let's take a look at OpenDoor, present in ARC W and F. This ranking, they started with rank 77 and went all the way up to 47 once, and now it's down to 66. And this has been its market price trend since January, not looking so good, but insiders are buying. Let's take a look at VERV as well. Stock price going up. ATI Technology, also we didn't focus on stock price. It has been going up slowly but steadily. So, but a very small investment in that for them. VERV is the one where they have invested highly, and there's 0.02 billion there. And also the ranking, they started with 167 and now it's 165. So that's the the buys, insider buys companies of ARK, those three. A lot of money invested there. Insider sells. So FB is one um, of the sells, as you can see. Facebook has been the biggest one, but let's reduce the date range to just this week because sales we were able to include everything last week. Again, Facebook is leading the chart for insider sales, mainly Mark Zuckerberg there selling 78 million, and then Newstead Jennifer. These two names popped up last week as well. Same two people selling a lot of money, a lot of shares, that much worth of money. Palantir is the second highest last week, 48.8 million. He keeps selling more and more. Regeneron Therapeutics, 43 million again. This was 48, this 43 million, sold by Yokonopoulos George, President, Chief Scientific. So I try to not read too much into the sales part because they they would sell for their own personal reasons, right? And main signal is buys. So how many did they buy? So which we went over in detail along with ARC's data trends. But let's quickly hover over all of these to see who has been selling. Twilio, let's see, CEO sold some. CRM, which is Salesforce, a lot of people sold that. Pins, which is Pinterest, a lot of people sold that. SDGR, Snowflake, a lot of people selling that. Crowd, Adobe, Okta, Peloton, CRISPR Therapeutics, Twist Biosciences, RPTX, Netflix. No, it's NET, something else. Then you have Charles Schwab. This is Kessel Biosciences, I think. PD, BLI, and then a bunch of smaller sales for various companies this week as well. So those were the biggest sales, insider sales for this week. And we went over insider buys, VERV being the biggest one. A lot of people buying that. That is a great signal because ARK is invested in it very recently too. So that's your daily dose, guys. And please like and subscribe and show your support. It really helps me if you like and subscribe because that way it increases the chances of YouTube algorithm showing this video to expanding this video to larger audience. So please subscribe and like and show your support. Thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.